Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices, and today we have potentially, just potentially, maybe most likely, because these have been pretty much hits in the past, the possible weekend deal for this week, and that is looking like 30% off of all items under or $20 and under. And then for non-ITC, 30% off all items, $10 and under. Now, this sale, as you can tell, was a video that I made a couple months ago. It was in April, so almost exactly 2 months ago. And the word through the grapevine is that this will be the weekend deal. And I feel like last time this deal was a little bit slept on, but there are so many possible deals that you can get with this, and that's what we're going to go over. So we'll just read the fine print because most likely it'll stay exactly the same. But yeah, let's jump right in. 30% off, ITC only for all items $20 and under. Limit 5, no coupon required. Discount applied at register. 30% off. Discount cannot be used with any of the following. This is the important stuff. ITC memberships, extended service plans, open box items, or gift cards cannot be combined or stacked with other discounts, promotions, or prior purchases. So that's the key thing. It's going to essentially be verbatim the same thing for the super coupon, but this is available for anybody. And then big thing here, limit 5 for each one. Most likely will be the case for this coupon if this is what the weekend deal is, which is very likely. That being said, I've been wrong in the past, but let's look at what possible planning we can do if you're going to Harbor Freight this weekend. And we'll start off with the icon alerts of what will be 30% off. If you're ITC, we have the icon 8-inch needle nose pliers for $19.99. 30% off would be $6. So you get these for $14. So most of these, so they go a little bit lower, you'll be getting for $14. The Icon Professional Mini Soft Grip Pick Set, 4-piece, $14. Icon 8-inch 3-position slip joint pliers, $14. The 9-inch adjustable joint channel pliers, $14. The long reach pistol grip needle nose pliers, $20. The 7-inch diagonal cutters, 10% off. Not that great for ITC, but 30% off, absolutely. $14. Soft face dead blow hammer, 16 ounce, $14. The long reach pistol grip pliers for $14. The 10-inch multi-slip joint parent nose pliers, $19.99, $14 with the discount. And the Torx bit socket set, 7-piece for $14. The 10-inch half-inch drive speed collar impact extension bar for $14 from Icon. The 7-inch inline wire stripper and cutter for $14. This adapter set, which was free not too long ago. If you saw my video, hopefully you got some of these for free, but $17. 30% off is gonna be roughly about saving $5.10. It's a little bit less than $12. These mini screwdriver sets for $15, saving $4.50 here, so about $10 there. And of course, as the price goes down, oh, well, they don't have that many options. The scraper for $13.99, save just over $4 there, so get that for under $10. And that's just the Icon potential for the $30. For the 30% off anything $20 and under. So great potential there. And another place where I want to look, assuming this deal's real, is the instant savings. So let's just scroll down until where we get to items that are $19.99 or really $20 and under. Now, instant savings are in a special category, and that these normally aren't excluded from stacking because it's just instant savings. It's a new price. So you can go ahead and use your discounts and stack on these. So we'll go through all these that are less than $20 because these automatically, there was some decent, I would say there's some really good instant savings that came out recently. Here we have the Hallmaster 1,000-pound capacity ratcheting tie downs, 4-pack, $19.99. You'll get an extra $6 off. So get these for $4. Sorry, so $14. Now these become steal of a deals for the instant savings. The Pittsburgh Metric and SAE ratcheting wrench sets, 7 pieces, $19.99, now $14. So essentially they're 50% off. That's crazy with the instant savings, with the weekend deal. Merlin hose, $14, was 13% off. Makes it a good deal instead of a whatever deal. Makes this a good deal. Your HFT 11 by 15 foot heavy duty reflective all purpose weather resistant tarp was 15% off. Well, now it's going to be an extra, is that at least $3 extra off? Good deal on that. It makes these all excellent deals. This metal 50 caliber ammo can, $12, already was 33% off. So at 12 bucks, and if you're getting it for 30% off, it's now $8.40, which you're saving $9.60. So at $8.40 when the original price is 18 bucks, that's 46, almost 47% off. These are the sleepers. The butane micro torch, save an extra $3.60 there, so get it for less than 10 bucks. The Pittsburgh Metric Essential Socket Set 10 piece, which was already a decent deal, at 12 bucks. Now you'll get it for $3.60 off. So it makes these excellent deals. The Grant's Micro, or it's just the shop towels, which I haven't heard great things on. Some of the feedback I've heard is that they leave everything red. But I thought it was a decent deal for $9.99 because you get 50 of them. If you're cleaning something that you don't care, it turns a little red, like cleaning up oil or whatever it is. These come in super handy. But get these for an extra 30% off. So get these for $7, save an extra $3. Save $3 on these ratcheting tie downs. A little less than $3 on the jumper cable. So get these. Wow. It's the math is too good. The math is too good. These, I feel like they've given these away for free, but still a great deal for these Pittsburgh combination wrench sets. And then, I mean, here you're pinching pennies, but that's fine. Pinch those pennies. And you're still going to get 30% off of these that are only a couple of bucks. But that doesn't mean they're not a great deal. These that are $1.99. $1.99 at 30% off. Get them for $1.40. So saving over 50% for these microfiber towels. Anyways, that all depends on whether or not this is happening. And it's been pretty good resources. They've been right. But there's nothing wrong with dreaming. 30% off for ITC, all items $20 and under, limit 5. 30% off for everybody else for $10 and under, limit 5 per customer. Take a look at the instant savings. I'll put a list of all the items in the description if you're interested. And what are you interested in? These are always great. Again, I feel like this was slept on last time. Don't sleep on it this time. Get those items at a 30% discount, those items that you need to get. Anyways, happy Harbor Freighting. If you find this useful, please consider liking and subscribing. Cross your fingers, hope this is real. If and when it's verified, I'll let you know. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.